I'm at a very special place. This is the South African Foundation for Conservation of Coastal Birds, SANCCOB, there behind me. It is one of those experiences for those who love on a different level. This is a sanctuary, like a hospital for seabirds, specifically penguins. And those of you in the know would know that our African penguins at the current rate will be extinct by the year 2035. So the work that these people do over here is absolutely amazing. And if you want us to create and arrange this amazing experience for you, because here you can go behind the scenes, feed the penguins, help nurturing them back to life and health so that many of them could be re-released in nature. If you want us to curate that experience for you, make sure that you book your next private tour with us. My details are in the description of this video. And typically Cape Town, Table Mountain, always the shadow in the background.